of monarch butterflies. Each one believed to represent a soul of the departed. They have just completed one of the greatest migrations in the Americas. To escape the harsh winters in Canada and the U.S., they've traveled 3,000 miles, crossing cities, plains, and deserts, to be here. Beneath the volcanic slopes of central Mexico is an enchanted forest, the perfect shelter and climate for the monarchs to spend winter. These sleeping beauties hibernate here for 4 months, and they need to stay close to each other for warmth. But some are running out of energy. Freezing temperatures on the forest floor can be fatal. This fallen male tries to warm up his flight muscles, but it's too cold to get them going. High above him, the first rays of spring sunshine. Bathed in this warmth, the monarchs are preparing to take to the skies. But the forest floor is still dark and cold. He must use the last of his strength if he's to reach the sunlight. At last, the security of his colony. As temperatures continue to rise, he and the rest of the butterflies can now take flight. Together, they have survived another winter and will soon leave to return to the north. Their remarkable ability to find this one special forest amongst Mexico's kaleidoscope of landscapes allows these beautiful butterflies to flourish. One of the greatest natural wonders on Earth.